Yeah, so actually I just wanted to laugh a little bit about, no, don't laugh. Guys, this is a little bit funny. Operation Dudula. Operation Dudula movement. Zandile Dabula ngati mtsogoleri wawo ndithu kunyamuka kupita kumene kuchitikira G20 summit South Africa ku Johannesburg. Tinakamba za G20 summit, tinakambanso zokhuzana ndi why maiko amene wawo asimachitika nchana kuti akhale mmene mumu after GDP makuti ndatolongosa zonsezo. So Dabula kapena ndi Dudula inaona kuti ifeyo tipite kumene kuku tikamange mademo tikamache. I don't know why kupita kumene kuku. I don't know. Actually, I've got no idea why kumapita ku G20 summit outside the building kumapanga protest. Hey, foreigners must go. Hey, Zandile Dabula, man, quiet, behave yourself, man. We've got heads of states inside. They may think you're talking about them. Because they're also foreigners. They are in foreign land. Hey, anthu alibe khalidwe. Khalidwe alibe ndithu alibe khalidwe. Ngani kuza ndi maforeigner kuti mathama kisema foreigner. Then mukamache outside the G20 summit. Kumene kuli alendo ma president osiyana amaiko osiyana pa dziko lapansi. Kuli president ku India, ma prime minister UK, kuli Brazil, kuli Turkey, kuli amene kuli ma president ambiri amene ali kumene kuku amene akampena zinthu zosiyana mukudziwa kaleso. And tikamakamba za G20 simaiko sura makhala maiko awo ambayayi amaita kuyangana kaya kufufuza zinthu zingapo zimene zimapezeka zimene kuti mpakana dziko lilengedwe. So actually it was a chance, it was a lucky, the chance imene kuti ku Africa kuti G20 summit ichitikire ma president onse abwere akakhale ku Africa. Yes, actually it's something we have to be proud of. Chile kuti nyadile kwambiri. And I don't understand my people, my African people. What's wrong with you? Huh? Mukanyamuke, mukapite, then mukambe kumacha outside summit. And has Rijana? Huh? If you I mean, it's been a long time. Tawi akalagotimina ma Africans. Even Trump, sana kwere. Trump didn't even come, didn't even attend. Why? Because Palima story is in Indiana. So why you want to prove these people right? Huh? Now we have to accept we Africans also have got a huge problem. Huh? Ngani ukuza ndiza za Dudula. I mean, kwa bwela alendo amwene. Mufuna next time azachitile so kwa Africa kama na ai. Huh? No, come on. So actually, Ndaizo says this time, Subano, I think Abolisi, they have done their job properly. Because Palintawi, imene, ajina Dabula wa Zandile, ama panga exchange, words. Kumani mandi Abolisi, hi, where you makutu, you. That time, there was that time, Minamalimbana. Kumano didn't, reach that stage of physical. So I think about the makutu yai. Kuma mango sentana mao. Yankula na maguti Operation Dudula kumason the police. Kumano this time now actually big up to the police chifuwa agadi shiro yeni. What did they do? Iwaja nango bwira police aja meaning kwatra pepper spray bas. Kuti sumba hiyo. Ndugu. Mpaka kujua sama AIDS. Tot from me. Funa ukubona ukuthi laba bento eziredi ukuthi bazoya nabona le. That was nice one. And this time actually guys, to be honest, okay, no problem, okay? No problem. Bali the vote, no problem. Okay? Come on, we've got visitors now. Please, can you hide your madness? Huh? Hide your madness, guys. And this time the police was like, no. Operation Dudula. No. Every time we fight, huh? We fight, ne? But this time, no, we are going to pepper spray you, man. We kick you out of here. Go, man. You smelling your armpits, man. We have visitors here, man. You want to embarrass us? No. And I'm sure wherever Malema is, is just laughing and he's clapping hands like, wow, well done, police. So I'm a police. Well done, South African police. It's so embarrassing, man. This okay. We've got those. Okay, we've got differences, but this was something else, man. G20 summit, taking place in South Africa. That was fantastic, man. Why you wanna spoil it? Why you wanna spoil it, man? Mufuna I'm happy to go on in kinds of like for what, man? Zukuza na banji. Foreigners abahambe. Ah, man. So Zandile, they were kicked out. They were pepper sprayed, and they were crying. Actually, I feel sorry for them. No, I'm not feeling sorry for you guys. That's okay. Actually, it was just a nice thing because you deserve it, guys. You deserve it. I'm going to go my president. I can't people. I mean, actually, those visitors, man, from abroad, they have to hear about. About Operation Dudula. They have to see you, moving around and what. You guys didn't even take a shower for a very long time. You guys didn't take a shower because Operation Dudula members don't bath. Don't take a shower, those guys, because they have got no time to take a shower. The time they have is to go to the hospitals and public services and say, hey, where is your ID? Hey, you came, no service to, for you, no services for you. Hey? Healthcare system belongs to South Africans. South Africa for South Africans. Go. Abahambe. These guys have got no time to take shower, to bath. So what they do, we have got visitors there, guys. You can't just come and embarrass us, man, in front of these guys. And we're not going to sit down and bite our fingers just watching you guys spoiling the name of Africa. Proving those who didn't come right. No, it's not going to work. Operation Dudula. Next time again. You should try it. You should try again next time. And the police officers in South Africa, good job. And yeah, thank you.
Here, I saw you were tear gassed and pepper sprayed.
The sad thing is that the force that they're showing to us as South Africans, they can't show it to criminals. That's why we have a Matanga Commission today. When they're supposed to do the right thing to the criminals, they don't do it. Some of us were arrested for fighting crime, for fighting illegality that's happening in the country. We went to take people to the police station who are illegal in the country, and some people were arrested. What's the job of the police if they can't protect the citizens? They're working against us, these people. They're corrupt, these people. Because we don't have 20 rands to give them bribe. That's how they're going to behave. But we know their agenda. It's not going to work like it.
You were tear gassed, you were pepper sprayed. Are you going to stop the protest today?
No, I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I've been saying this. it means la we are war. You know, it's only a matter of time where this bomb is gonna hit. You know, people.